Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to connect Google Drive to Claude Cowork. Once you're in the Cowork mode, you can click on the plus button in the bottom left corner of the chat and then select connectors. Then you can find add connector, and you should be able to just find browse connectors. Then let's search for Google Drive. It's actually listed right here. I'll just click on the plus, and now let's click on connect. Then we'll need to basically follow the Google authentication, so it will open a window in the browser very likely, and I can first sign into my Claude on the browser. Now, as you can see, it asks me for permissions for the Google Drive files to see and download all of my files, and also to see, edit, create, and delete only the specific files that I use with the app. I'll select all the permissions and let's click on continue. Then it asks me whether I can open Claude, of course. Let's click on open, and now it should connect it right here. Yeah, it is now connected, and Claude will be able to use the Google Drive as your files. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.